Are you ready to transform your living space into something truly extraordinary? Imagine turning everyday materials into stunning home decor, clever storage solutions, and inspiring renovations, all with your own two hands. Welcome to a world where creativity meets practicality and where every project is an opportunity to make your home uniquely yours. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. Picture this: waking up each morning to a home that's not only beautiful, but also filled with pieces that tell your story. From custom shelves crafted from reclaimed wood to one-of-a-kind wall art made with simple supplies, every corner of your home can reflect your personality and style. With our epic home DIY projects, you'll discover how easy and rewarding it is to take charge of your space. No more waiting for inspiration to strike or for the perfect piece to appear in a store. Here, you'll learn how to create it yourself. Every week, you'll find new, exciting projects designed to spark your imagination and challenge your skills. Want to revamp your kitchen without breaking the bank? We'll show you how to create a chic backsplash or give your old cabinets a fresh, modern look. Craving a cozy, inviting living room? Learn to build your own coffee table or create ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood. But it's not just about home decor. Our DIY projects cover a wide range of needs, from maximizing small spaces with ingenious storage hacks to updating both interior and exterior areas. We believe that a beautiful home should also be functional and sustainable, so you'll find plenty of tips on enhancing your surroundings. Don't worry if you're not a pro with power tools or a master painter. Each project is broken down into easy-to-follow steps, with clear instructions and practical tips to help you succeed. You'll learn essential techniques, from safely using a drill to mastering the art of the perfect paint finish. Our community is here to support you every step of the way, offering encouragement, advice, and plenty of inspiration. Imagine hosting friends and family in a space that feels truly yours, hearing them marvel at your DIY touches and clever solutions, or the sense of satisfaction you'll feel each time you complete a project, knowing you've learned something new and added value to your home. DIY isn't just about saving money, it's about gaining confidence, expressing your creativity, and building skills that will serve you for years to come. And the fun doesn't stop there. By joining our community, you'll be the first to know about the latest trends, seasonal projects, and exclusive challenges that will keep your creativity flowing all year long. Whether you have a few hours or a whole weekend, there's always a new adventure waiting for you. So why wait? Subscribe now and unlock a treasure trove of epic home DIY projects designed to inspire, educate, and entertain. Your dream home is just a project away. Let's roll up our sleeves, unleash our creativity, and do something amazing together. Join the fun today and discover how rewarding it can be to create a space that truly feels like home.